Rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Proctors.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Ms. Proctor, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
My husband is extremely supportive of the children and me, and
Your husband? Are you guys
my
currently married?
my ex-husband.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I would like to reduce the amount that he has to pay because he's paying more than he should. He takes care of the children's everything we need. He provides very well for us, and I have my own job, and so it would really make me happy, Your Honor, if you could reduce the agreement that we have from $1,426.56 a month to $415 a month, please.
Is that what you all agreed to? The $415?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. And what else does Dad pay for?
He covers any extracurricular activities that the children would like to do. Anything that they want, they get.
Okay.
And he covers their health insurance. He's an excellent father.
Okay. So you say he covers extracurricular activities,
Yes, ma'am.
health insurance. How much is health?
All right, buckle up, because this case takes a wild left turn. We've got a mother asking the court to lower child support even though her ex-husband is already footing the bill for everything. And I mean everything. At first, it seems like this could be one of those rare, drama-free splits. But then, boom, she drops a bombshell that shakes the entire courtroom. Stick around, because this one has financial twists, shocking accusations, and a last-minute plea you won't believe. Let's dive in.
Whatever he says, I will agree with.
Okay, that is pretty generous to be covering the extracurricular activities. Is there anything else that he pays for?
Anything that they need, he takes care of.
Okay. Okay. And what are the ages of the children?
1.5. I was pregnant when we got divorced. We have a 4-year-old, a 6-year-old, and a 10-year-old.
Okay. All right. That's a nice little spread you all have there. It sounds like the Brady Bunch. Okay. So is there anything else you need me to know before I move over to him?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And sir, will you agree to everything that she's been saying, that that's you all's agreement?
It is. We didn't have a court-ordered thing. It was just something that we came up with.
Okay. So you're paying right now, you're giving her $415 a month for the children.
Correct.
All right. And you're covering all extracurricular activities for each of them.
That's correct. That includes summer camp and baseball and everything. Yes.
Okay. So they go to summer camp every year for the whole summer?
Correct.
And how much is that?
It's about $200 per kid.
Per kid. Okay. Yep. Yeah, that definitely. It's good that you all can come to that sort of an agreement and do that, because that's not something that happens all the time in this.
Hold up. She just admitted she doesn't even know how much her ex is paying for health insurance, yet she's totally fine with whatever number he gives. Triangular flag on post, big red flag. Add in the fact that he's covering all extracurriculars for 4 kids, that's a massive financial load. So, is her request really fair? Or is something else hiding under the surface? Let me know in the comments what you think.
And I'm pretty sure in a lot of child support courtrooms around Texas, okay? So that is good you all came to that. How much is health insurance?
It's $289 a month.
$289 a month. Okay. So, you say you all did, this is not a court order, so this is the first time that there will be an order in place.
Correct.
So just so the court understands, make sure that you understand your child support in terms of what you were paying. I believe you said the number was $1,426.56, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Based on that, your gross would have been, it is, based on the documents that you presented, your gross is about $5,000 a month. Your net is about $4,075.88. So what I will do is go ahead and adopt
Your
the
Honor,
agreement. Yes.
I'm sorry, can I interrupt you for a moment?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm really not comfortable with this agreement, but he's really mean. And don't agree to it.
Wait a second. Did I just hear that right? These two actually came to an agreement without a court order. If you've ever watched a child support case before, you know that almost never happens. Usually, it's a fight over every single penny. But here's the twist. This is the first time that agreement is being made official. So, is she just being considerate, or is she playing the long game? Keep watching, this is about to heat up.
Your Honor, I'm not doing
What's
anything.
your legal objection?
I'm on the grounds that it may incriminate me.
Okay.
He has, I can prove that he makes at least $4.7 million a year. I have all the account information here provided to me by his bookie. He laundries money, and I would just like to take whatever money you want to give us that's going to make him happy and give us a protective order. The children have already gone to a safe place, and I'm going to leave as soon as I get here so he can't hurt us anymore, please.
Okay.
She's crazy, Your Honor. She's crazy.
I'm crazy, yeah. That's okay, I'm crazy. I'll just agree
So
to
you're
this.
agreeing that you're crazy?
Absolutely. Whatever he says, I'll agree to.
Okay, so what I'll do, because you all have been doing this, is go ahead and adopt the agreement between the two of you based on the
Whoa. Did she just accuse him of making $4.7 million and laundering money with proof from his own bookkeepers? And now, suddenly, she doesn't feel safe. This is a total 180. A second ago, she was all about reducing payments, and now she's begging for protection. If her claims are true, he's in serious legal trouble. But if she's making it up, that's a massive, dangerous accusation. What do you think, credible or calculated?
Not to sound insensitive, but in terms of protective orders, this is not the court that you would want to be in. You would definitely need to be in another court. But if you're thinking in terms of safety, I think your first step is to call 911 and maybe speak to some police officers or whatnot. Sir, I don't know what you're doing to this woman. However,
I'm not doing
unfortunately,
anything.
I'm not saying that you are, but based on what she said.
He
As
has,
far as my
he has
job
everybody
goes.
on the books. I have the proof. I can give it to you.
No, ma'am.
There's
You know what?
receipts.
I don't
I
even
have
wanna be
access to
incriminated
all
in
of
that.
his accounts.
No, thanks. So what I'm going to do.
Even the judge had to step in, like, this is not that kind of courtroom. If she's genuinely scared, this is not the right way to go about it. Child support court doesn't handle protective orders and dropping criminal accusations mid-hearing without evidence. That's messy. Still, if what she's saying checks out, we're looking at a case that could explode way beyond family court.
Continue to pay the $289 in health insurance. You will continue to cover extracurricular activities for each of the children, including summer camp. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed. And I think I need to go have a drink because you
Thank you, Your Honor.
guys have really. Oh.
At the end of the day, the numbers came out to $415 a month, plus health insurance and extracurriculars. But let's be real, the money wasn't the headline here. The chaos was. Did she just blow the lid off a